Well, hello there. This is Leslie Sansone Williams. Hope you're doing well. Today we're going to talk about mishandling potential clients as a brand new paralegal. And I'm going to say this right out the start. This particular error or problem with a paralegal is really very prevalent with new paralegals. Okay, whether you have gone to school or not, and you decided, no, I can't do school, I just want to get into the field, doesn't matter. But this is very prevalent with brand new paralegals. People will think, and I've had many people say that they want to go into the paralegal field to help people. But you have to really understand that there are limits to what you can do as a paralegal. And there are limits to what you can do as an attorney. And so there are rules and regulations for both. And one of the things you should set about finding out, number one, is what are the professional rules of conduct for paralegals in the state of blank, whatever your state is. Google that. Use Google as one of your incredible research tools, okay? Even after you become a paralegal, use that. So one of the things we never do in the legal field is guess or estimate or make an assumption. I call it guesstimates. There's no guessing in the legal field. It's got to be based on facts. We don't guess how to do something. We go find out how to do it. We don't put it all on the attorney's shoulders. A lot of it will be on our shoulders to figure out. So the one thing that we don't do as paralegals is quote fees to somebody who calls up on the phone. Okay, that's for the attorney to do. We don't let that potential client, they're not a client yet, but we don't let that potential client think that they are a client because we're talking with them. We always say the attorney has to call you back and discuss any areas of law or how to proceed or anything like that. It's nothing that a paralegal can do. And you have to set that out. It's not the client's fault that they'll cross a line and ask you for legal advice because they don't really know what paralegals do overall. And they may think that you're a type of attorney when you're not. And we don't, as paralegals, have licenses to give advice. So remember that. That's called unauthorized practice of law, UPL. So unauthorized practice of law is giving advice, legal advice, and when we do not have a law license. Okay? So only attorneys can do that. And one of the best things you can do for your future career, or if you're currently new into the career, is to check out the rules of professional conduct for the state of, but it's for paralegals. And then also, I want you to go check out rules of professional conduct for attorneys in the state of, and put your state in that blank, in the Google search area. And look and search and dig and drill down and learn and educate yourself as to lines you cannot cross. And one of the main reasons, yes, I want you to educate yourself and to not fall into any traps or snares. But I have been asked to do things that were against these rules by attorneys. And I want you to be aware of that has happened to me and other paralegals. And the decision on my end was, no, thank you. No, I won't be doing that. And if you are looking, for instance, in the area of becoming a notary public for your state, then I want you to read the rules and regulations so that you never cross those lines, even if your employer asks you to. So you have some work ahead of you. If you've never looked any of this up tonight, or today sometime is your time to look it up. Take your Dollar Tree notebook or your inexpensive notebook and write down your research and what you found. Maybe you'll need to print out the rules of professional conduct for paralegals. But do that. It's very important for your career that you're just walking that straight and narrow line and you're taking the high road at all times, and no one can take you off that, okay, but you. So any questions or comments, post them below. You'll notice in the description box below that there are some links in there for you to check out. Those are special links just for you, my viewer here on Paralegal Career Mastermind, that will take you to wonderful 4th anniversary pricing on my course. And it's being promoted in very few places. So you have one of the few opportunities, if it's in your, you think it's in your interest, go click on those links. A couple of the links below, one is for the hub, the Paralegal Resources Hub, totally no charge, free, and go look at what's there. And also there is a webinar for you to watch on how to get more callbacks when you submit your resume and cover letter. So watch that as well. And don't forget to like and subscribe, because it helps more people see this channel when they search on Google and on YouTube. So any questions, comments, post them below. Would love to hear from you, even if it's just to say hello. Would love to know what area of law you're looking at, working in, or areas of law. Love hearing your feedback. So have a great day, and I will talk to you in the next video. Stay tuned. Bye.